How to submit to Snapchat Spotlight step by step. To submit to this Snapchat Spotlight, you first of all have to simply launch the application itself, then log into your account. Now you simply have to record the clip from the main camera screen. Once you proceed to record your video, you simply have to now go ahead and upload it. You simply have to go ahead and proceed to add the music, use the lenses filter, insert the captions accordingly to your choice. Now once you're here, send to page option, you simply have to tap on this option on the bottom right corner. You will find the spotlight option over here at the top. Within the post to option, go ahead and tap on this. Now you simply have to go ahead and then once again tap on this paper plane icon on the bottom right corner, and there you go. Now you simply have to finalize and publish it. This is how you can submit to the Snapchat Spotlight. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.